What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? Happy day today. We see a little bit of green. We are still down. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin. We're going to take a look at what's going on. We're going to take a look at the aftermath of what happened yesterday, Black Monday. Just a whole lot of fear. And I'm going to try to give you an idea of why these things are, give you my perspective. I think we're going to be okay. All right. And we're going to take a look at what has been pumping the last 24 hours because things have rebounded. I don't know if the worst is behind us. Could be, could not be. We'll take a look. We'll try to come to conclusions. And so without further ado, let's do this. All right, Bitcoin 54,911. This morning, some numbers came out. Okay, let's take a look at this stuff first, really quick. All right. Liquid assets. Okay, so Bitcoin is extremely liquid. Okay, liquid assets always be liquidated first in liquidity crises. Bitcoin is insanely liquid. Try and sell $275,000 of gold at 11:27 p.m. on Sunday. So Bitcoin, basically, because of fears and other parts of the markets, and that's why everything is connected. But Bitcoin, because of fears in other parts of the market and other geopolitical fears as well, just fear overall, Bitcoin, very liquid, gets liquidated. Okay, but those people that had to sell, okay, give way to people that want to buy, right? Especially at these type of prices. Okay, so 54,000. So that's really good, guys. All right. And this also helped to have a green morning. The U.S. Institute of Supply Management reported on Monday, that was Monday, that its non-manufacturing PMI rose to 51.4% in July from June's 48.8, which is the lowest since May 2020. This index measures the health of the service sector, which constitutes over 2/3 of the U.S. economy. A PMI above 50 suggests expansion, and the latest data indicates a rebound in service sector activity, easing some concerns over an impending recession. That was another reason. U.S. recession, the yen carry trade, also not being profitable is also another big fear. We'll get to that quick little part in a second. ISM services are reversing the signal for the ISM manufacturing data last Friday. No recession, folks. This is part regarding the yen thing as well. This is a technical positioning driven correction. Okay, there are a lot of people doing the yen carry trade apparently, and when that's no longer profitable, well, now they have to take that money and put it somewhere else, right? So maybe that's what's going on, a repositioning, as was mentioned here. Okay, considering that earnings are up 12% year over year versus consensus of 9%, that doesn't happen at a recession turning point. So according to this, it's really, the recession is not something, although there's fears of a recession, I don't think the recession is going to happen. And not everything is bad, right? With bad things, right, there's always like a silver lining, something positive. And this really, this drop, right, not just in Bitcoin, obviously, more so in the Dow Jones and the NASDAQ, as it continues to see some red. I don't think the markets are open. I think maybe the markets are opening now. I don't think so. They're close to opening. Yeah, I think maybe they are. I forget what time markets open. Let me see. Yeah, I think it is open already. 9:30 a.m. Oh, okay, no, not yet. As the time I'm making this video, it's about 9:30. They start that late. Wow. Okay, so the markets aren't open yet in about 30 minutes. Okay, it's 8 a.m. here, but which 9 a.m. in New York, 9:05 a.m. in New York. Anyways. All right, so let's go back. Let's go see how markets react to all this. A day to think about. Cooler heads hopefully will prevail. Anyways, all of that fear yesterday. Okay, financial markets are currently pricing in significant monetary easing by the U.S. Federal Reserve. Okay, and that's going to be very positive. According to CME FedWatch tool, there is now a 73.5% probability of a 50 basis point rate cut by September, with a minimal rate cut of 25 basis points now seen as certain. Okay, this shift in expectations reflects a drastic change in sentiment compared to just a week ago, when the probability of such cuts were much lower. Okay, so we take that. We want that cut. I mentioned yesterday, I did a whole video of basically the types of cuts. Okay, normalization cut or a panic cut. I didn't think we were going to see a panic cut, but just might possibly see that. Okay, so we'll see. How I still see it, it's still just a lot of opportunity, guys. A lot of opportunities. Doesn't mean that we start coming up right now. It'd be great to see, but look right here. Okay, so it could be that we spend some time here. We might even go a little lower. You know, maybe test 50 again. Okay, we've done it before right here. Okay, in February, at the beginning of the year. So it could be boom, 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 and then kind of come back up. I would like to see it come back up sooner than later, though. Okay, that would make me feel better. But take it for what it is, guys. Take it for buying opportunities. All right, this is I think gonna be a short video. Let's see what's going on in the last hour. Let's see what's going on in the last 24 hours. All right, look at this, Mr. Miggles. Okay, I mentioned yesterday, 21 million market cap. 50% in the last 24 hours, 50% up. Okay, 7 days it was down 45%, so it actually got back all those gains. It doesn't look that great on the chart, really. All right, this is what it looks like on the chart. You wouldn't have thought 50% from that, right? It's still a great area to buy. Okay, Miggles, Ponky, two meme coins. Okay, Ponky's in Soul, Miggles is in base. Last 24 hours up 41%. Atlas Navi up 40%. Still way down though. Take a look. All right, but you do want to take a look at the things that rebound fast, okay? And you do want to take a note of that. Okay, I think it's still probably going to go down. But look how close we are to like where it started, guys. I mean, this is juicy. And remember, Atlas Navi already has a working product. Already as a company, they're making money. Now, that doesn't always translate over, right, to the crypto. But looking at XRP, for example, Ripple and XRP. But that doesn't mean I had a good, nice little bag of this. I would buy some more right here at these levels, okay? Because I think it will do well, okay? Because we do want a strong company behind it, okay? And I think it will, in this case, it will translate over to the crypto, you know, being successful like the parent company, okay? Atlas Navi, and see what else really quick. Look at this, 30s, prop base up 38% for the last 24 hours. Neural 33%, Relio up 37%, Success Kit up 35%, LFGO 32%. Those meme coins, guys, those meme coins, Boomer up 30%. Turbo is another one. I'm not into it. I don't follow it too much, but it's up 31%. I have it just on my watch list. Weco up 28%, UBXS 28%. And what I've noticed also is that the RWA plays, meme coins and RWA plays have been moving up relatively well. Snowbox 24%. Okay, Try is up 16% in the last 24 hours. Landshare 19%. All right, pretty interesting. Toshi up 18%, 41 million market cap, guys. All right, so pretty cool stuff right there. All right, things are rebounding. It doesn't mean that the worst is behind us. It could be that we have a little bit more pain to go. All right, it could be that we kind of hang out here for a little while, and if that's the case, cool. People are going to be scared. People are going to say it's going to continue to drop. Maybe it will. Maybe it won't. My bet is that it's not. Okay, and well, that's how I sees it. I think we're going to leave it there. Let's take a look at the DXY really quick. What's it doing? Okay, rebounding a little bit. No problem. In about 20 minutes, the markets are going to open. It'll be interesting to see what happens. I will report on what's going on tomorrow, right? We're going to leave it there because I actually have a bunch of stuff I have to do this morning, but I wanted to get a video out to you guys. I got boxing, I got sparring, I got maybe some crying to do. I'm just kidding. I'm not going to cry. I have my son. My son makes me very happy. Regarding the crying thing, if you don't know, if you don't watch my stuff, it's I got scammed for like basically my whole portfolio in crypto, and so it still kind of hurts to happen on the 19th of July. So it's still relatively fresh, but slowly getting over it and trying to do what I can to move forward and I don't know, still somehow get something out of this bull run that I still believe is coming. Okay, so don't sell. The good things are still on their way. The end of 2025. Go watch the video I made yesterday. I think I've been pretty right on this market. Obviously, no one could predict these drops like that. I mean, it's tough to predict, but mass hysteria, okay? Overreaction is how I see it. A lot of fear, and well, I think we will rebound sooner or later. It could take a couple of weeks, maybe take a month or two, okay? It could be faster, it could be a couple of days, but it will happen, all right? Guys, leave it there. If you can, please subscribe, please like, please leave a comment. All that stuff helps, and I am trying to grow this channel. I do want to make some money off of this crypto stuff because I think I bring value with my perspective on the markets, and I think I can help, all right? Leave it there. Also, if you are interested on a one-on-one consultation, a one-on-one, I charge charge 50 USDT. If that interests you, for an hour and a half of my time. All right, let me know. All that said, thank you. See you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Peace.